Hey guys, welcome to the first video on my channel. Please subscribe, like, turn on those post notifications and comment down below what other video I should do on my second video. Oh, by the way, tomorrow me and Samantha are going to be doing a video together, and this is Samantha.
Are you ready?
This is so confusing. So that was Samantha. We're going to be both doing videos today. Let's just talk to this guy as no one else is. Hello. So this is my avatar. If you want to see my inventory. So this is my inventory. I like. This is my inventory. Yeah, anyway. So these are all my things. Here's my button.
Okay, I'm gonna do this now.
Okay, anyway, so these are my things.
I'm gonna show you guys, by the way. Come on.
Wait, let's. Okay. So this is me. Let's go shopping. I want to get a new animation.
Unfix that. What if I see? By the way, I should name his face for a bit there.
Why not? I've got to eat my noodles as well. Okay. Sorry about that, that was my mom. I think I might go shopping. No. Guys, what Samantha doesn't know is that I'm going to give Samantha a greet. I would love to, but I don't have enough, so I can't. I'll do it tomorrow. Yeah? Okay. So, this is me.
Ella, what's your YouTube called?
Ella Fisher. Capital E and capital F.
No, your YouTube.
Yeah.
Okay.
Ella Fisher, but spaces, I think. This is my profile. Put it back down there. So guys, I'm going to do these. So I'm claiming all these. I like the way you walk through my house and not to touch from me. You can't stand by me. I don't like how I don't even get touched by you. You can't even stand by me. Oh, by the way, you won't be seeing my hair because my hair is normally like curly, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, by the way, go check out her channel, Sammy Unicorn.
The Unicorn Sammy.
No, Unicorn Sammy then. So it's Unicorn Space Sammy. Oh, I'm on level 12. Let's change the colour, maybe. No, green. Just plain it. Okay, labs. Let's undo this. I'm going to move you guys back up here.
Ella, can you do the Blackalicious Alphabet aerobics?
Pardon?
Can you do Blackalicious Alphabet aerobics? Personal amateurs are amazing, and ISO enemy, broken barriers, found the bomb.
Oh!
Basically a bomb body, had to create
I'm a special greeter. Guys, by the way, add me. Because, like, I gave her 9 groups earlier, I think. Oh, by the way, this is Samantha's account. By the way, we was joking about you were playing things. We're just joking about this thing. Sam's that girl. By the way, add me please. By the way, add me on Instagram. I'm not saying you have to, but I'm just saying maybe you want to. Also, add me and Samantha on Instagram.
What?
I said, should add us on Instagram?
I don't have Instagram anymore.
Oh, well, she doesn't, but I do. Also, add us on Musical.ly. Oh, by the way, guys, my next video will be after this video, but I'm going to be doing because my package has arrived and my squishies and things next time. Yeah, people keep asking me for their wish list. It's not that I don't.
Bye.
Bye. Say bye, Sam. Bye. So she had to go, sadly. But doesn't stop me. I did that. Oh, by the way, my Instagram What's this? Dirt's yummy _45. So guys, thank you so much for watching today. I know this might be strange that this is my first video, but comment down below if I did alright. Please like, subscribe, and share and turn on the post notifications, and one of you might get a shout out. Thank you.